Hurricane Milton ravaged one of the most popular areas for snowbirds on Florida's Gulf Coast. ASIC. IATED Press. The start of snowbird season in Florida is only weeks away, but many Florida Gulf Coast beaches are regularly voted some of the best in the United States, are closed to the public because of the devastation from Hurricane Milton 2 weeks ago. Most restaurants and shops in the Tony Street, Armand's Circle district of Sarasota were flooded with water from Milton and Hurricane Helena, which tore through Florida almost 2 weeks ahead of Milton. The dominant performing arts hall in Sarasota is closed. Below are your comments. I had a condo for a couple years in St. Pete to snowbird in, but found work might get busy where itr. Aval more or 1 year our Ohio winter was mild. I found it makes more sense to just escape when IW. And stay in hotels, even 4 or 5 trips down in January to March for a week at a. Last year our winter was so mild I only went twice to Florida. It takes a sizable amount of money to spend winter there. Most people cannot afford that anymore. My fixed income does not allow me to do that. There was a time when I could, but not anymore. Who can afford thousands per month rent? This is why they continue to build back in areas where they shouldn't, driving up all of our NCE premiums. Chasing the dollar no matter what. Winters can be tough for older folks, but at least the snowbirds have another home to ride out the winter. Lots of local year-round residents not so lucky. I'm in Charlotte County. I'm coming out of 2 back-to-back hurricanes myself. I live on the Peace River and was anticipating 15 feet of storm surge. I left my house already prepared to have nothing to come back to. Luckily, the storm broke up and the surge wasn't that bad. To read about the devastation doesn't do it justice unless you can see what actually is left behind. Siesta Key was a great beach. It's not that far from me. It's really difficult even now to go out in my neighborhood or to Punta Gorda and along the sides of the road are the contents of people's houses. The streets were like flowing rivers. People lost everything, and to know that it's like this all the way up to NC is very eye-opening to a lot of us. I know I won't be anywhere near this state by next hurricane season. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.